guys, my name is Harry. I'm a TA here at AMJ, and I'm going to show you guys how to shoot video diaries in the computer lab. The red circle is start, the black square is stop. Red circle, start, black square, stop. Make sure when you're recording that you do hand gestures and make sure that you are very vocal and loud. Do not touch the mic. Please do not touch the mic. If you can freestyle without writing and talk about every single thing without writing it down, and you can come up with words and sentences on the top of your head, then that's good too. But if you have a hard time doing that, write it down just like I did. And if you wrote it down, after you finish, you just clip it to the side. Make sure your eye contact is directed towards the webcam and you're only looking at the paper every once in a while. Okay, so here we go. I'm gonna shoot my video diary now. Bye guys.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Hi guys, my name is Harry, and today I feel good because today's lesson was good and not boring. My week was okay. I went to school Monday through Friday, and at home I played basketball, soccer, and baseball. I read a lesson this class on Morris Frank and his seeing eye dog Buddy. So basically, this one guy is blind, he can't see, so his dog actually guides him throughout his whole life. So that was really interesting because I didn't know that a dog could help a human so much. I thought it was humans that were helping dogs. What do you know? And then possessives for grammar class. We learned about how you talk about ownership. So that way we could see and know who owns what. Like if I said, me and my family went on a trip to Jeju-do, it's my family. You can tell that I own my family because I put a my in front of the noun, which is family. We practice by doing worksheets, role-playing with teachers, and just seeing how life would be like with the eye-seeing dog as well for Link. So I really like grammar class, media class, and link class this week. Next week I want to film video sketches with my friends. Okay, that's it for today. Bye guys.
Congratulations, Harry. You just won the Video Diary King of this month.
I did? What did I get?
Yes.
Oh, I got stamps and I got a pin. So now I can show all my friends that I am the best video diary taker in my whole class. And I can use this for candy, snacks, and ramen. Thank you. I got Video Diary King, guys. What do you guys think? I got Video Diary King. Right here, look. You see? Now that I've shown off my brand new badge to all the kids at AMJ, the best part is now. Now I get to go shopping at Market Day. So I'm just gonna start putting a bunch of snacks in my bag because I can afford all of this, all right? So this is one of the perks of being Video Diary King or Queen is that you can afford all of these snacks. So as you can see, price is not an issue. Over here, Video Diary King, and the result is I get my picture on the AMJ wall of royalty.
Wow!
별빛이 내린다